Welcome back to Finance Plus Investment. Today we're diving into selling a car with an outstanding loan. Let's get started. First, understand your loan inside and out. This means knowing the terms, interest rates, and the total amount you borrowed. It's essential to be fully aware of your financial obligations. Start by figuring out exactly how much you still owe. This includes the principal amount and any accrued interest. Regularly checking your loan balance helps you stay on top of your payments and avoid any surprises. You can find this information on your loan statement or by contacting your lender directly. Don't hesitate to reach out to your lender if you have any questions or need clarification on your loan details. Make sure you have all your ownership documents in order, including your title, registration, and loan paperwork. Keeping these documents organized will make it easier to manage your loan and any potential transactions. Check your loan agreement for any prepayment penalties. Some loans charge a fee if you pay off the loan early. Understanding these terms can help you make informed decisions about your loan repayment strategy. Knowing your loan details is crucial when talking to potential buyers or dealerships. Being well informed allows you to negotiate better and ensures you get the best deal possible. Always be prepared with accurate information. Next, figure out your car's worth. This is a crucial step whether you're planning to sell, trade in, or just curious about your vehicle's value. Use online tools like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds. These platforms provide a reliable estimate based on current market trends. Input details like make, model, year, mileage, condition, and features. The more accurate the information, the more precise the valuation. Check similar car listings in your area to price your car competitively. This helps you understand what buyers are willing to pay. Factor in your loan-to-value ratio. This is the amount you owe on your car loan compared to its current market value. If you owe more than the car is worth, you're in a negative equity situation. This can complicate selling or trading in your car. Be aware of this ratio as it can impact your selling options. Understanding your car's worth and financial standing can help you make informed decisions. Now choose your selling strategy. Option 1. Sell to a private party for the most money but more work. Option 2. Trade it in at a dealership for convenience but less money. Option 3. Sell to an online car buyer like Carvana or Vroom for a balance of convenience and profit. Each option has its pros and cons. Pick the one that suits your situation best. If you owe more on your car than it's worth, you're dealing with negative equity. This can be a stressful situation, but there are several strategies you can use to manage it effectively. One option is to pay the difference out of pocket for a clean break. This means you'll cover the gap between what you owe and the car's current value, allowing you to sell or trade in the vehicle without any lingering debt. Another option is to roll the negative equity into a new car loan. While this can make it easier to get a new vehicle, be cautious. This approach can lead to higher monthly payments and more interest paid over the life of the loan. You can also try negotiating with your lender. Sometimes lenders are willing to work with you to find a solution that benefits both parties. They might forgive a portion of the negative equity or restructure your loan to make the payments more manageable. This can be a good option if you're struggling to keep up with your current payments. Choose the strategy that works best for you. Consider your financial situation, future plans, and comfort level with each option. With careful planning and the right approach, you can navigate negative equity like a pro. You've found a buyer and negotiated a price. Now finalize the sale correctly. Coordinate with your lender for the payoff process. Transfer the title to the new owner accurately. Don't forget a bill of sale to outline the terms of the sale. Cover your bases to avoid any legal or financial headaches. Selling a financed car can be daunting, but these pro tips can help. Be transparent with buyers about the car being financed. Keep meticulous records of all communication and paperwork. Clean and detail your car before meeting potential buyers. Be aware of scams and trust your gut. Negotiating the best price for your car is a skill you can learn. Gather multiple offers for leverage. Highlight your car's best features to attract serious buyers. Be patient and don't feel pressured to accept a low offer. Know your car's worth and be willing to walk away if necessary. Congratulations! You're now a pro at selling financed cars. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to Finance Plus Investment for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.